Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Almond Danish. First, gather your ingredients for the dough, including flour, butter, and yeast. Ensure your butter is cold for the best flaky texture. Mix and knead the dough until smooth, then let it rise until doubled in size. After the first rise, gently punch down the dough and chill it thoroughly. This chilling step is crucial for easy handling and a superior final product. Once your dough is chilled, roll it out into a large rectangle, aiming for about 1/4 inch thick. Now, prepare your delicious almond filling by combining almond paste, sugar, and a touch of egg. Spread this mixture evenly over the entire surface of the dough. Next, fold the dough over itself, creating layers, and gently press to seal. Cut the dough into individual squares or rectangles, ready for shaping. Now for the fun part, shaping. You can create various designs like pinwheels, braids, or simple squares with a dollop of filling. Place your shaped danishes on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed. The aroma will be incredible. After baking, let your almond danishes cool completely on a wire rack. While they cool, whisk together powdered sugar and a little milk or lemon juice to create a smooth, pourable glaze. Drizzle this sweet glaze over each cooled Danish for that perfect finishing touch. These are wonderful for breakfast or a special treat. Enjoy your homemade almond danishes with a cup of coffee or tea. Remember to check the description for the link to * the simple path to wealth * and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.